After a record-breaking 63-17 win against Merrimack last Saturday, Jim Mora and the UConn Huskies arrived in Durham, North Carolina to face the Duke Blue Devils, hungry for more. At the start of the game, the Huskies struggled to get themselves up on the board. The Blue Devils wasted no time, though, racking up the first 7 points of the game.
We all have to be better, okay? And what that means is that every single day we have to do everything that we're doing better, with more discipline, with more focus, with more intensity, with more intent, with more passion. We can't make excuses.
After Duke pushed the score to 10-0, the Huskies were able to respond after a 64-yard interception run from Langston Harley off a deflected pass. After halftime, the Huskies regrouped and weren't going down without a fight. With the loss of Victor Rosa from finger surgery, a player needed to step up to the plate on the offensive end. That player for the team was Cam Edwards, who Jim Mora considers a leader in the locker room.
He's a dog. I mean, he's tough. I mean, he's gritty. You know, you want your team to take on the personality of a guy like that, and I believe that we are. He runs hard. He's positive. You love it when your leaders are your best players, you know.
Edwards finished the game with 106 rushing yards and a touchdown that happened in the beginning minutes of the third quarter. That touchdown ignited a fire for Connecticut, and they would score again later in the third to give them a 21-17 lead over the Blue Devils. Duke caught up to the Huskies, however, putting themselves in the lead after a 20-yard touchdown. Even with their persistent gameplay on both sides of the ball in the second half, the Huskies lost the game to Duke 21-26. Although the game ended in a loss, you can't deny the Huskies' effort the past 2 weeks. UConn cannot be underestimated and are a force to be reckoned with.
We're a hard-working team. We're going to get a good week of preparation, and then we're just going to, I want everybody to show up. We're going to have a better outcome than today.
Next up for the Huskies, they are set to take on Florida Atlantic University next Saturday at Rentschler Field with a kickoff scheduled for 7 p.m. under the lights. But for now, from Wallace Wade Stadium, I'm Avery Becker, UCTV Sports.